This is question 19 on the higher calculator paper. The question says, Rob is learning about planets. Rob makes a model of the Sun. He also makes a model of the planet Jupiter, so Sun and Jupiter. Rob is going to hang the two models in the school hall. Rob wants the distance of, wants a distance of 16 meters between the two models. So he wants a distance of 16 meters between the two models. The real distance between the planet Jupiter and the Sun is 8 times 10 to the power of 8 kilometers. Work out the scale that Rob should use. Give your answer in the form 1 to n. Okay, so this question involves numbers in standard form, 8 times 10 to the 8, but it's a ratios question. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of write the ratio as it is right now, because what he wants is he wants 16 meters to, now that this is his scale, 16 meters is going to represent 8 times 10 to the power of 8 kilometers. Okay, and that's pretty much the ratio that we need to now simplify down to 1 to n. Now 16 meters, right, that's in meters, but on this side here it's 8 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. So I need to change them, so I need to make sure that both the units are exactly the same. So if I leave that as 16 meters, and I'm going to change this, and I'm just going to put on this side here that 1 kilometer represents 1,000 meters. Okay, so what that means is 8 times 10 to the 8 times 1,000 would now be converted into meters. So now on both sides I have the same units. Right, on this side I have 16 meters, and on this side I'm now going to try to write this out as a full number. So that's 8 times 10 to the power of 8, so that means I have to put 8 zeros after it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then when I times it by 1,000, I need to put another 3 zeros after that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now both sides are in meters. That's 16 meters, and that's 8 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros after it. Alright, now the question wants me to write my ratio, my answer, as 1 to n. So on this side I need to have 1. So I'm going to divide both sides by 16. So if I divide this by 16, I'll just get 1. Now this is going to be particularly complex because, let's see if I could do it. Can I put 8 with 11 zeros after it on my calculator? Let's just check that again. That is 11 zeros. 8 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then divide that by 16 equals, and that's put it straight away into standard form for me. Let's put it into the form 5 times 10 to the power of 10. Now that is my final answer, right? That is the answer that I'm going to put in the answer space. 1 to 5 times 10 to the power of 10. Okay, so for this particular question, you need to make sure you break it down into stages, and don't be fazed by the numbers or the long numbers. You need to make sure that you know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Right, so be familiar with that, and make sure that you state your workings clearly and you write down everything as it is. And when you get your answer on the calculator, you do need to be familiar with numbers written in standard form on your calculator. So that there stands for 5 times 10 to the power of 10. Even though that 10 there, that times by 10 is small, look at it, when I've written it in the answer, I've written it like so. 5 times 10 to the power of 10 there. Okay, this question is a good question to understand and make sure you're familiar with. Make sure you could do it, and make sure you can get full marks in it.